we're gonna go ahead and make a new script. We're gonna call it poop caller. We're gonna call it poop caller. Called, okay, or called, doesn't matter. Now, in this, I'm gonna teach you how to reference other scripts, how to get them. So, to reference another script, you need to put the script in a variable. How do you do that? It's super simple. You just type in the script name and the variable name. So we're gonna say my poop script. That's it. As you can see, it's in variable format. We're gonna make it public actually, so you can see it. As you can see, it's in variable format because it is a variable. But instead of having like the default, instead of having like the basic variable types, you put in the script name. As you can see, instead of int or float or game object or transform, you have the script name as a variable. So take a look at this. On the object, you can drag this script into there. Now, I'm going to shorten the name of it. We're going to say MPS, and I'm going to do a start method real quick. And I'll say, I need you to type in mps.get key, get component poop. That's about it. I'm gonna say equals, no, we're gonna put that before that. We're gonna say, wait, no, sorry, get rid of this. We're gonna say mps equals get component poop. What that's going to do on start, it's going to, let me forget everything I just said. Okay, I need you to create a new game object and put both of the scripts on there. Just drag them on there, on the object, right? Make sure they're all in the same object. Now, what get component is going to do, it's going to get a script that's on the same object, is going to get the script automatically in this, if it's in the start, it's basically just gets the script. So it's going to automatically assign the script. If you don't want both scripts on the same object, I need you to create a new game object, put the different script on there, remove this from there. So as you can see, since they're on different objects, it's going to give you an error. It should have gave you like a null reference exception, maybe because you didn't call it. But it will give you a null thing because this won't get set to anything because it can't get it. So how can you get it? Well, you need to make a new variable. You need to make a game object variable. We're going to call this obj. So I need you to drag the object with the script that you want to reference onto here. Yeah, you could do this and just, do that, but that's not cool. Cool people don't do that. So what you want to do is you want to say obj dot get component. So what this is going to do is going to get this object and then find all the components, and if it finds this script on that component, on the object, it's going to get it. So it's basically just you see it's going to get it. Now, so with obj, it's going to with the variable object, it's going to get everything that's on that variable, but without it, it's going to get everything that's on the object that the script is on. I know that makes no sense, but that's how it works. So basically, that's how you reference scripts. And now that you have the script turned into a variable, you can do different things. You can call different methods now. Since this is public, we're going to call the poopy method. Since it's public, we're going to do mps.poopy. That's basically how you call a different method. How you call a method from a different script. You just turn the script into a variable and call it. Call the method by putting a dot. So yeah, every variable you can do that too. So like obj dot, as you can see, it's going to give you like all the, I want to call these attributes, but they're not attributes. I just call them attributes. But the different things you can do, you can call on that variable. Same thing with ints. Well, I don't know, not really. But yeah, that's how you reference other scripts. I know that makes no sense either, but